Hello. This is George at Coatings by the Bay, your local new car paint protection experts. We are based in Appleton and we install ceramic coatings on new cars, trucks, SUVs, and vans. Today, just wrapped up this beautiful new 26 1500. Got a full exterior coating, so you got your matte rims are now a satin, and they will be able to resist water, debris, anything staining them a lot better. Glass is coated, all the plastics are coated. Of course, the paint is coated, cover got coated. So literally everything on the exterior except the rubber has a 5-year ceramic coating applied. If you are in the market for a new car or recently bought yourself something new, whether it's a Ram or a different vehicle, I'd love to talk. My name is George. 920-659-0023 is the fastest way to get a hold of me. I suggest text. You can also go to our website, coatingsbythebay.com. All of our prices are displayed transparently. Price is not something I hide behind to get a quote form. You should know the price before we ever talk. So paint package on this would have been $995. Full exterior is a $400 upgrade. I did a little bit of paint correction, but there was no cost for that. So it was just a couple spots touched up versus the whole truck. So again, if you're in the market for a new vehicle, reach out to me. I would love to talk, even if I'm not the guy you work with. Let me talk you out of the dealership options and at least get you going third party or get you waxing your car or whatever may be right for you, because ceramic coating is only right for a select few. It's a very small niche. So again, coatingsbythebay.com, or you can text me anytime, 920-659-0023. And one final time, my name is George. Today is April the 14th. So that means we are booking 5 weeks out right now. This is the busy season. I focus mainly on new cars, so I stay steady year round. But right now we're booked out about 5-6 weeks. So right around Memorial Day. So even if you're buying new in early May, it makes more sense to get on the calendar now. If something happens with delivery, I'm super flexible. Get you backed up a few weeks, whatever you need. So hope to work with you.